So after connecting DC input module, we will connect DC output module. Same way, you need to make sure it's aligned properly. Again, I will show you. You can see the back side should match up completely, then you can fit your slot finally. So here how it goes, and yeah, now it's fit. Second thing I wanna connect my analog input. So this is analog input RTD type, and it has all channels over here. I connected potentiometer with that already, so I can test my analog inputs through that section, which we will see in the software part. So this is right now, just for curiosity, I have connected in EXE 0, execute 0, and RTN 0. Same way, I just need to insert it. I need to insert it, then I need to make sure like it's properly aligned from the back side. And what I'm gonna do is just plug that white part in again. I need to keep it flat. Yeah, now it's good. You can see all the white slots are on the left side, means it is connected properly. So this is whole programmable logic controller system here. Okay, starting from power supply, then Ethernet IP, then controller itself, and then input output modules. This is digital input, this is digital output, and this is analog input. Also, I do need at the end, the thing is called end cap register. So it is right end cap and it is terminator. Last section you need to terminate, otherwise you're not gonna see your controller online on the software. So let's connect it the similar way. You can insert from the back side or from the front side as well, no worry. Okay, so before inserting you need to open the slot. Okay, once you align, make sure it's aligned, and you can just lock it up. Yeah, now it's good. You can see how there is different kind of slot for end cap, but it's similar way it's connecting. Okay, so yeah, this is a whole controller system. I also have extra input module, digital input, but I didn't connect as it's similar to this one. So all I have is power supply, Ethernet card, processor. This is digital input 32 bits, digital output 32 bits, and analog input. There are 6 channels for that, 0 to 5, total 6. Also you can see the input is sync source, 24 volt DC sync and source type. DC output always source type. And yeah, this is RTD resistance input analog card. Thank you so much for watching. In next video we're gonna see software side and explore the software, so you can have clear understanding how it's actually connected with the software, how to connect it, and also how you can toggle in inputs and outputs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.